Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with efile.com for federal and state returns, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the efile.com website. Locate the sign up option on the home page. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to the registration page. Start by entering your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password following the site's guidelines. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Check the box indicating that you agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive an email to verify your account. Open the email and click on the verification link within. Return to the efile.com website after verifying your email. Log in using your registered email address and password. Once logged in, select the option for federal and state returns. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Provide details such as your filing status, dependents, and income. Fill out any additional sections required for your state return. Review all entered information for accuracy. When finished, click on the Submit or Continue button. You may be prompted to select a payment method for any fees. Enter your payment information and confirm the transaction. After payment, you will receive a confirmation of your registration. You now have access to efile.com for your federal and state returns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.